Unlock a world where your words sculpt stunning AI art, and we're about to show you how. Step 1. Understand the core of a good prompt. Think of it as giving instructions to a brilliant, but very literal, artist for Leonardo AI. We want to be descriptive and evoke an artistic vision. Let's start by telling ChatGPT to help us craft a prompt for Leonardo AI, and specify the type of image we're aiming for. For example, tell ChatGPT, help me write a descriptive prompt for Leonardo AI to generate a photorealistic portrait of an elderly wizard in a dimly lit study, with glowing runes on his desk. Notice how we're painting a picture with words photorealistic, elderly wizard, dimly lit study, glowing runes. These are crucial details. Step 2. Refine and iterate. This is where the magic truly happens by going back to ChatGPT with feedback. You've got your first generation from Leonardo AI now. Look at it. What could be better? Maybe the lighting isn't quite right, or the wizard's expression needs more gravitas. Tell ChatGPT precisely that. For instance, you could say, "That's good, ChatGPT, but can you make the lighting more dramatic, with sharp shadows, and give the wizard a more contemplative expression?" ChatGPT will then adjust the prompt for Leonardo AI. It might add phrases like chiaroscuro lighting, deep shadows, and a furrowed brow suggesting deep thought. This iterative process, getting feedback and asking for adjustments, is key to moving from a good idea to an exceptional visual. Step 3. Experiment with artistic styles. Leonardo AI can mimic countless styles. Use ChatGPT to learn how to best request them. Ask it to suggest how to prompt for a watercolor-style landscape of a serene Japanese garden, or a cyberpunk cityscape in a vibrant neon palette. Don't be afraid to mix and match elements to discover unique aesthetics. The more specific and evocative your instructions, the closer you'll get to bringing your artistic vision to life. So, by using ChatGPT as your prompt engineering assistant, you're no longer just typing words. You're directing a highly sophisticated creative process. Happy creating!